Alright y'all, so I'm trying to hurry up and do this before my little girl comes back in here. That is my niece and she's being entertained by my brother, her dad, right now. So fingers crossed, I'm trying to hurry up and give y'all a little scoop of this hair. And there she goes. It really doesn't take long. I've been wearing this hair for about 2 weeks and it's been pretty good. I mean, really cute. And it's been lasting. There are some things that I wanted to point out for you guys. I did not want to comb through this hair at first because I really felt like I wasn't going to be able to get the comb through, even a wide tooth comb. So for the first couple days, I was scared to comb through until I really needed to. When I did, it actually was fine, but it did shed a little bit. So you do get some shedding with this hair. That's good to know. The other thing was that the hair itself is soft, but for some reason in the front, like even after you wash it, it gets kind of like rough around the front a little bit, and you can like comb it out and that will go away. Today after I washed it, let it air dry. I washed it yesterday, let it air dry today, and I combed through it with the wide tooth, and this is actually what happened. Like it just got big and the curls fell out, and I was like, oh, this is actually pretty cute. And then I just needed some oil because, oh, that's the other thing, it does get kind of dry, so you're gonna need to moisturize this hair with, you know, oil or moisturizing wig spray or something like that to keep it looking nice and shiny. So keep that in mind as well. It calmed down and I was like, you know what, I actually like this, because when I bought this hair, it's a 16-inch. It was under Jerry Curly. Now when I put the link below, it's the same hair, but it's under Kinky curly, so that's kind of weird. I did see this on Twin Goddess's video. I forget which one of the twins made the video for this hair. It is, I'll have the deets down below, but it's from Queen Hair on Amazon. And her hair, when she did it, it got super big, which now I see it has the potential, but once you mousse it down, you'll see like before it will have that kind of like, it looks thinner than this. Like it doesn't look super big like this, but I like it. It's kind of like, you know, it's kind of sexy with my big hair. Just to touch on everything that's going on in the world, I hope you are all staying safe. You know, we are currently going through this pandemic and it's hard on us all. The other thing is, you know, what's going on with the police reform and police brutality, the protests and everything. I stand with all of my black people, with Black Lives Matter. You know, we do. So that what more can I say? Period, point blank. I mean, Black Lives Matter says it all. Just continue to be safe. Other than that, I think I'm pretty much done. So yeah, my camera died and I was trying to get this done. I'll see y'all in the next one. Hit me up in the comments. Follow me, my Instagram, Ordinary Opulence, same as this YouTube channel. And I'll see y'all in my next video.